Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Voyager. After a big pump, Voyager is rejected by this resistance of the channel, and right now it is getting accumulated at this support. And in today's video, we will analyze is there any possibility that Voyager is going to start the next move to the upside and it will break out this resistance of the channel or not, or whether is it going to move more down after breaking down the channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this daily time frame chart. And when I shared my last video at that time, Voyager was trying to break out this resistance of the channel, but I told you that if we take a look at this oscillator, the RSI oscillator, then it was forming higher than previous high, but the price line was failed in doing so. You can see that the price line formed a lower high than previous high, so there was a hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Therefore, I was telling you that there is a very high probability that now Voyager may test this support of 61 cents, or it will test this support of the channel. It was better if Voyager would test this support of 61 cents and would move to the upside from there. In that situation, there was a very high probability that this move to the upside would be continued and it would break out this resistance of the channel very soon. But right now you can see that it has also not able to break out this resistance of 61 cents. We had a very long spike, and we dropped down again. We tested the support. We had another long spike, but could not break out this resistance of 61 cents. And this level has been working as a resistance previously here for several days and as a support here. Therefore, right now it has flipped into a very strong resistance once again. And now I'm expecting that after some accumulation, there is a probability that Voyager will again try to make another attempt to break out this resistance of 61 cents. And once it will break out this 61 cent resistance, then soon it can also break out the resistance of the channel as well. If we take a look at the smaller time frame, here we are now on the 4-hour time frame chart, then we can see that Voyager has formed this descending triangle, and this support of the triangle is almost at 40 cents, and you can see that right now the movement of Voyager is quite squeezed, so at any time it can break out or break down the resistance or support. And for example, if Voyager will break out this resistance, then our target to the upside will be here, that will be approximately 90 to 91 cents. And if we take a look at this resistance of the channel, then we can see this time the resistance is approximately at 84 to 85 cents. And in that situation, if we will break out this resistance of the triangle, in that situation, there will be a very high probability that Voyager will also break out this big channel, this long-term channel as well. And after breaking out, the next resistance will be here at $1.06. And previously, you can see it has been breaking as a resistance, support, and here as a support. And after $1.06, our next resistance will be $2.25. And you can see here it has been breaking as a resistance, and after that we will have this final resistance at $5, and that is also the target for the breakout from this down channel. For example, if we will break out this down channel, then our target can be here at $5, and there we also have a very strong resistance. You can see that we already have formed a double top here, and after forming this double top, we had a very long drop. Therefore, next few hours or even movements can be very important for Voyager, because we are very close to break this triangle, and I'm expecting that we will break out. But if we will break down, then let me show you the target to the downside as well, because if we will break down this triangle, in that situation you can see it is showing us the target in the negative territory. We can expect that it can test the previous support that we have here, approximately 18 cents. That will be also very down from here. If I place a trend line here at 18 cents, not at 18 cents, here we can have the next support approximately at 24 to 25 cents. You can see here we found a support, and for several days it had been working as a support here as well. And if we move more back on the daily time frame, then we can see that here back on 29th of June it was working as a support, and here as a support as well. And therefore, in case of breaking down, I don't think so that we are moving more down than this support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.